Auto repair friends, stop struggling with those high difficulty and time-consuming faults. See this device in my hand, launched SmartLink, combines auto-diagnostic technology with the internet, breaking geographical limits to enable remote vehicle fault diagnosis. Today, let's show you how to use the CN and BN connection master to solve the instrument fault of Ferrari 296 in just 1 minute. The instrument panel shows faults for both left and right doors and lighting. We first connect launch's BN to the CN, and then use Ferrari's dedicated Galileo device for a quick scan. After the scan, we clear the lighting faults. This solves all lighting issues. For the door faults, corresponding matching is required. Once done, the vehicle's faults are fully solved. We provide real-time online assistance to repair shops in solving car faults, helping you work more efficiently. When you encounter difficulties in auto repair, just remember launch SmartLink. If you have a specific car brand you'd like to see, feel free to leave your comment below. See you next time.